What's going on YouTube? It's your boy LikResells, and I am back with another video for y'all, man. As you can tell by the title and the title of today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to style jorts because I know it's summertime. I know you're trying to get fly this summer, bro, so I got you. It's the perfect video for you. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can learn the style, so you can learn how to put that shit on with some jorts. But let's get straight into it, man. The first fit I'm gonna be showing y'all is actually what I have on right now. I'm gonna play the B-roll for y'all. Boom, this fit. I went dark green shirt with the chain, with the Levi jorts, with the Timberlands, on some cool shit. Wasn't really nothing too crazy, but yeah. In order to style jorts, you really gotta go with the base of the jorts. Like these are blue, so I complemented it with a green shirt and some buttons. All complement each other. Boom. We go orange and green. We go chain. We go blue, and then we go buttons. Like all these colors just complement each other so much. It's all about the like color coordination, bro. That's the only way you can style jorts and make it look good. Cause if I would have had a different shirt and some different shoes, this fit would be ass. I'm not gonna lie. That's the point though. Let's just move on to the next fit. Starting off with this next fit, we have these dark gray jorts. You know what I'm saying? I distressed these myself. I made these myself. Go video link in the description if you wanna go watch that, by the way. No cap. But yeah, after that, moving on to the shirt for that fit, we have this Empire tee I got from the mall. You know what I'm saying, long sleeve, nothing too crazy. It's low-key big, but that shit hard when I put it on. So yeah, boom, we go that. And then for the shoes, we went chose Jordan 7 on these fuck niggas, man. I'm saying these are a little bit beat, but hey, I still put them on. And look, all these colors are different. They all go together though. So boom, as you can see, all the colors complement each other. The shirt is a little big, but that's the fit out. That's the look I was going for. That's the fit I was going for. And yeah, man. That's that fit. Wasn't really nothing too crazy about that. Moving on to the next fit, we have this pink hoodie right here, bro. It's just an NY hoodie. Y'all seen me with this fit on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, go tap in. But yeah, pink hoodie, nothing too crazy about this. So go with that, we have some dark blue denim with some amazing wash. I also made these myself, I'm not gonna lie. All the jorts in this video I made by myself. And if you want to learn how to do that, go tap in with that video or this video in the description. Yeah. But yeah, I made these myself, some dark blue denim, also distressed. And yeah. For the fit, you know what I'm saying, we had to go butters again. We had to go butters again. No cap. But let's get into the B-roll. Boom, as you can see, the colors complemented each other perfectly. Had the chain on, you know what I'm saying, like just had that shit on, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't have I didn't wear the hat that I wanted to wear with it, but hey, really before this video is over, I have a special message for y'all. If you want to learn how to upgrade your style this summer, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this video so you don't miss anything. You don't miss any uploads from your boy LikResells, so I can help you upgrade your style as much as I possibly can before school start back. If you need any tutorials or any help, just comment or DM me on Instagram and I got you, bro. I will tap in with you, boy. I will tap in with you, nigga. But yeah, man, before the video ends, gang, go tap in the LikResells. Over there, I have hella content for y'all. Mainly like how to make money. Over there is how I make money. I'm gonna start uploading on there and showing y'all what I do to make money as a teenager. I'm a freshman and I make $1,000 a month, bro. No cap. Make $1,000 a month. And I can teach you how to budget money and how to make money over there. So just go over there, tap in with your boy, and I'm gonna get you right, gang. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, the link is in the description for LikResells and all my other videos and shit. If you wanna follow me on any other platforms, all my shit right here, as you can see. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for tuning in with your boy, and I'm out.